Hey guys! Welcome to our vlog. Today, we're talking about something na usually makapanusblid, but don't click away kasi swear it's in your life every day.
While walking around our locality, nakapungutan ako sa akong kaugalingon, unsaon di sa mga business pag-manage sa ilang profits? Nakakay secret weapon?
Yes, here I din. Sir, boss na tayo tag 1,000 nga t-shirt din ni boss. Nakindalaan ito Sara mo to?
Example pag ito, like what if ang coffee lunch is a new drink? But wait, let me deride first. Then boom, revenue max. Derivatives don't just help with profits. They also help us figure out if things are growing, shrinking, or dying like my social life. In short, derivative help predict what happens next. Cool, right? So yeah, differential calculus is not just something your math teacher tortures you with. It's in business, science, engineering, architecture, and pretty much everywhere. And except to my love life, lisod pod, ato ra jud na.
Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more fun takes on math and science. See you next time. Kung dili ma-derive sa kakapoy.
One is the loneliest number that you